Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the WhiteBIT crypto exchange platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the WhiteBIT application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, tap on the Get Started button at the top, which will now take you into the sign up or login page. Tap on Login and you can now enter your credentials. In case you have used your Google account to create your account in the first place, tap on the Google option or just enter your credentials. After entering your email address, type in your account password within the password section and now you can tap on Continue. This will now check your credentials and you are now allowed to create a code for your account. Type in your desired code and then type it in once again for confirmation. Once your PIN code has been set, you will be logged into your account right away and you may continue trading from wherever you last left off. If you have set up a two-step or two-factor authentication option, then you may also need to provide the login code from either the authentication app, your phone number, or your email address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on WhiteBIT. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.